Now example number 5. 4m plus 6n is equals to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equals to 28. In this, first find t. Determinant d is equals to coefficient of m and n as it is, that is 4, 3 and 6, 2. Let's solve. Cross multiplication 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3. 4 2s are 8, 6 3s are 18. So 18 minus 8 is 10, bigger number sign is minus 10. So value of d is minus 10. Now dm, be careful here. Here in this case variables are m and n. So instead of dx dy we should write dm, dn, etc. Right? So dm is equals to, replace coefficient of m with last number, that is 54, 28, and coefficient of n as it is 6, 2. Cross multiplication 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28. 54 into 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 108. 6 into 28, 6 8s are 48, carries 4, 6 12, 2 are 12 plus 4 16, 168. Now 168 minus 108 is 60, bigger number sign is minus, so minus 60. Now dn equal to, how to write dn? Replace coefficient of n with last numbers 54, 28 and coefficient of m as it is 4, 3. Cross multiplication 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3. 28 4s are 112 minus 3 4s are 12, carries 1, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, so it is 162. Now 162 minus 112 is 50, bigger number sign is minus 50. So I got the answers of d, dm and dn. Now variables are m and n, so m equals to dm upon d. This is our formula. dm is minus 60 upon minus 10, minus 60 upon minus 10, 10 6 are, so answer is 6. N equals to dn upon d, so minus 50 upon minus 10 and minus 50 upon minus 10, answer is 5. So what is my solution then? Solution equals to 6, 5. Understood this example? Thank you. Example number 6. 2x plus 3y is equals to 2, equation 1. But second equation, x minus y upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. Now before start, let's try to remove this 2 from denominators. For that we can multiply by 2. So multiply by 2 will give you what? 2 into x minus 2 into y upon 2 equals to 2 into 1 upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So 2x minus y is equals to 1. This would be your equation number 2. Let's write these two equations one below the other. 2x plus 3y is equals to 2, equation 1. And 2x minus y is equals to 1, equation 2. Now we'll solve by Cramer's rule method. D, that is determinant D, is equals to what? Coefficient of x and y as it is, 2, 2, 3 minus 1. Cross multiply 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 3 2s are 6. So minus 2 and minus 6 addition is minus 8. Now dx. replace coefficient of x with last numbers 2 1, coefficient of y 3 minus 1 as it is. Solve this. 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 3 1s are 3, minus 2 and minus 3 addition is minus 5. We got the value of dx. Now value of dy. What is dy? Replace coefficient of y with last numbers 2 1 and coefficient of x 2 2 as it is. Solve this. 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2. So 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Now we got the value of d, dx and dy. What was the formula for x? X is equals to dx upon d minus 5 upon minus 8. So that is minus minus cancel, 5 upon 8 is my x, and y is equals to dy upon d. How much is dy? It is minus 2 upon d is minus 8. So minus minus cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, so 1 upon 4. So my solution is 5 upon 8 and 1 upon 4. Understood the example? Thank you.